The ugly, the good, and the great. These are the three kind of people we meet in our lives, all over, in the work, in the family, in the friend circle. And the game is recognize who is who and know how to deal with it. So let's dig into that. Let's talk about the ugly. These are the people who will be in your life regardless what you do. They will never be happy. They're always going to focus on the negative. They're always going to criticize. They have nothing better to say. What do you do with them? The first thing is try to avoid them. Now sometimes they could be a close friend or close family member. What best to do? Keep them happy. Don't get into a conversation like where the argument going to start. Just keep them happy. Let them know that you are right. Keep them happy. Your life will be smoother. Let me know what you think about this one. Now, the good people they're always good to you. They're always good to me. They are our parents, our best friend, a family member. We always need them. When we are having a bad time in our life, these are the people we have to reach out to. Call them or we talk to them. They make us feel good. They keep us in that comfort zone where we always going to feel good. They're the best people in life. We live for them because they make us feel good. We are always grateful to them. So these are the people you got to take care of them because they are good for you. They always take care of you. You take care of them. That's the good in the life. And with ugly, good, and great, the great people. The great people are your mentors, your accountability partner. Maybe one of the family member, maybe one of the parents who bring you the tough love. They have care for you, but they don't let you sit on the comfort zone. They know your potential. They always continuously push you to get your potential. They will get you out of the comfort zone. They will help you make your comfort zone much bigger. Could be a friend, could be a family member, the mentor, the coach, and the accountability partner. These are the people you need them always around you because they are the one who is going to take you where you want to be. So let me know what do you think about this, the ugly, good, and the great people around us. Please, if you like this, give me a comment, like, or follow me. I'll try to make more content like this for you. Thank you.